Good morning, students. How are you? In the previous lecture, we have read about the environment and their protection and the conservation. Today, we will read about the spheres of the environment. There are four spheres in the environment. First is atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. Today, we will read only two. We will understand only two layers, spheres of the environment, atmosphere and lithosphere. So listen carefully. Atmosphere, the envelope of air. Atmosphere, what is the meaning of atmosphere? The envelope of air that completely surrounds the earth is known as its atmosphere. Clear? Sphere means surrounding. Clear? The oxygen present in the atmosphere is responsible for the origin and growth of life on the earth. The atmosphere extends to about 1600 km from the surface of the earth, but 99% of the total mass of the atmosphere is found within 32 km only. Structure of atmosphere. The atmosphere is made up of a series of layers. The atmosphere is made up of a series of layers. Each layer has different characteristics. These layers are, there are 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Clear? These are, atmosphere is made up of these series of layers. Clear? Advantages of atmosphere. What are the advantages of atmosphere? First is, the atmosphere acts as an insulator that prevents extreme temperature variation between day and night on the earth. First is, the atmosphere acts as an insulator. Clear? Second is, it absorbs radiation such as most ultraviolet rays. Those are very harmful to life. These it absorb. Clear? Second is, it absorb harmful ultraviolet rays. Third is, water vapor in the atmosphere affects the weather. Fourth is, the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere absorbs heat and is used by plants for the photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere absorb heat and it is used by the plants for the photosynthesis. Second is, first was atmosphere, second is lithosphere. Lithosphere, see these layers of the earth. Clear? Layers of the earth. Here is lithosphere, the outermost layer of the earth. Outermost layer of the earth, at the top we can see, is known as lithosphere. The literal meaning of lithosphere is a sphere of rocks. It is composed of many layers. Clear? These are as follows. First is the core, second is mantle, third is crust. The core, it is located at the center. It is located at the center of the earth. It is the innermost part of the earth. Outer core, inner core. Clear? Our innermost part of the earth, its diameter is 7000 km. It is rich in iron and nickel. It is further divided into two parts: inner core, outer core. The inner core has a radius of 1220 km and outer core has a radius of 2250 km. Clear? Second is mantle. It is the layer that covers the core. It comprises about 83% of the Earth's total volume. It is divided into outer mantle and inner mantle. It is also divided into two parts, outer mantle and inner mantle. The outer mantle has a depth of 670 km and lower mantle extends from 670 km to 2900 km. Clear? Third is crust. Crust, it is the topmost layer. It is the topmost layer of the earth. Crust. We also called it this lithosphere. Clear? The crust under the ocean is known as the oceanic crust. It is about 5 to 10 km in thickness. The crust under the continents is called the continental crust. The crust under the ocean is called oceanic crust, and the crust under the continents is called the continental crust. Is 20 to 70 km thick. It was about 5 to 10 km thickness, which oceanic crust, and continental crust is thick 20 to 70 km. Clear? The outer layer of the crust is composed of silicon and aluminium materials and is known as sial, whereas the layer below sial is made up of silicon and magnesium and is known as the sima. Clear? Sial, silicon and aluminium, and sima, silicon and magnesium. Clear? Si means silicon, Al means aluminium. Si means silicon and Ma means magnesium. Understood? Now, advantages of lithosphere. What are the advantages of lithosphere? The natural resources like minerals, oils and coals are found in the lithosphere. It has forest and other land forms which are of immense use to us. Third is it gives us land for making house, factories, infrastructure and for agriculture. Clear? You have to read this thoroughly, and tomorrow we will read about the hydrosphere and biosphere. Clear? Thanks. Have a nice day.